We're in the midst of a heat wave here in the UK right now, but I've come to share some great news with you. So we've been doing a lot in the past week to bring our Sydney hosted instance of Signagelive up to speed with the London instance of Signagelive, doing some back-end updates and adding a lot of new features that are not currently available in that instance. And now for the first time, we're launching a brand new feature on both instances at the same time. On July 28th, Signagelive will be officially launching Screen Takeovers, our brand new feature for ChromeOS devices. If you're not familiar, Screen Takeovers essentially allows you to have your screens function in and out of sync at a frequency of your choosing. So picture you're a fast food restaurant and you've got multiple screens all displaying their own unique ads, and then at a particular time of the day you want every screen to function in sync at the same time, display a particular piece of content, an advert let's say, that synchronizes across all of your screens. Once that finishes, you want each of those screens to then fall back to their respective schedules. Well, with Screen Takeovers you can do exactly that. It's an enhancement to Signagelive sync functionality which we've had implemented into the platform for quite some time now, but with Screen Takeovers we're giving you more control over how your players function in sync. You can have your players function in sync simply once a day, between a particular time frame, or at regular intervals. So let's say you had your default schedules and then every 90 seconds you wanted all of your players to function in sync and then fall out of sync, you can make that happen. But this feature won't only serve you if you're in the quick serve restaurant industry. If you're in the retail space and you want to highlight a time-sensitive advert, you can create a sense of urgency for your flash sales and have all of your screens function together whenever you choose to. In an educational environment, you might want to use Screen Takeovers to broadcast school-wide announcements. The same goes for the corporate space. If you have announcements that you want to repeat or draw attention to a particular piece of content, why not push that message to all of your screens to highlight the urgency or the importance? The Screen Takeovers feature is entirely free, and if you want access to it, all you need to do is sign up from the link on screen, head to that link, fill in the form, and we'll be in touch so we can enable Screen Takeovers on your Signagelive network. From July 28th, as long as your ChromeOS players are connected to the internet, they will automatically download the update that will enable them to have this Screen Takeovers functionality. And if you want to register for access in advance, please do, and we can make sure this feature is enabled from the day that it launches on July 28th. Anyways, I look forward to seeing how you guys can make use of this feature, and we'll see you on July 28th when Screen Takeovers releases.